James, I want to tell you something.
A plunge. That's a plunge.
A plunger. You're right.
We got one off. Now we gotta get the other one off.
What do we?
Let's take this off. This keeps it attached to that. All right, don't push that too much. See, now we gotta take it off over here. Like this.
We've got a lot of work to do.
Yeah. Okay, now the flapper valve is off. That's good. All right, now we gotta get this one off. See,
It's in the toilet.
James, I'm going to tell you something. James, that's not toilet water back there. That's not dirty water. That's not the same water that's in the toilet bowl.
okay, we gotta replace that. Which one looks like this?
That one.
Not this one?
This one.
Okay, open it up. Open the package.
Well, I was going to pick that one.
No, that's the wrong one. This one looks like that, right?
Yeah.
All right, open it up. Tear it open.
Tear it open.
Good. Right over here.
Where?
Like this.
Tear it open.
All right, tear it open. Get it out of there.
Get out of here.
Open it up. Pull it, pull it. Pull it. Rip it out.
Rip it. We should rip
Okay.
it.
Give me the new one. All right. Let me see.
Whoa, look. What's this handle for?
Okay. Now. Okay. Now we got to put this one on there. All right. Hold this up. Hold this down like this. Now Grandpa has to sneak his hands down this way. You got it?
Maybe he should hold up the black thing for
Okay. I
you.
got one on.
Two on.
I gotta get the other one on. Okay, I got two
We
on.
have a lot of.
All right, let's try it now. Let go now. Let go.
Phil, he
Okay.
wanted to know what the chain was for.
We will take
What, honey?
this
wanted
one
to know what the chain was for.
away.
The chain is to
Take
lift
this
it,
one.
James.
We'll take this dirty one away. Here.
It's not actually dirty, James.
Yes,
It's
it is.
just wet. No, it's not. Oh, you're
Okay, I'll take this out.
okay.
All right.
I took the dirty one out. I'll take the white one out.
You did?
Yes.
Okay, now we gotta open the valve down there.